I'm Barry Markson from 92.3 KTAR. So happy to be out at Barrett-Jackson. Unbelievable place to be for cars, for fun. Bring the family, and welcome to Barrett-Jackson.
Hey guys, my name is Bogey. I'm from All Girls Garage, and I am hanging out at Barrett-Jackson here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And we're hanging out in Restoration Row. I'm going to be hanging out with these folks all week long. You owe it to yourself to come by Barrett-Jackson and check out Restoration Row. And make sure you come by and say hello.
Hey, Route 66, welcome to Barrett-Jackson. I'm Wayne Carini from Chasing Classic Cars.
Hello, we are at the Barrett-Jackson Car Show today. We are with 94.5 Cool FM. And come out, we're having a great time. And get your kicks on Route 66.
This is a 2007 Ferrari 430i that is actually headed up to South Dakota. Thanks a lot and have a great day.
My name is Jürgen Schulte, and I own this beautiful 1968 Russian airboat. They built 800 of them. The first one they designed in 1962, and the last one they built in 78.
Well, we had a great time here at Barrett-Jackson, and I've got my new purple baby, and we're heading to Oklahoma. That's where it's going to live now. Thank you.
Hi there, at Barrett-Jackson. We just bought a Ferrari Dino, taking it back to Sacramento, California, and I'm sure we'll have a blast with it. It's got a great new home.
Yeah, here at Barrett-Jackson 2020. Been coming here for about 20 years. I finally made the jump and picked up myself a 1985 Corvette, under 37,000 original miles. Couldn't be happier. Best day of my life.